Good day, I am Robert Malayo, a future mathematics educator who believes that creativity plays a vital role in effective instruction. In my teaching practice, I integrate creativity by designing visually structured lesson materials such as infographics and step-by-step visual guides to simplify complex mathematical processes. I also incorporate interactive activities, collaborative problem-solving tasks, and technology-based tools to promote active engagement among students. For example, when teaching functions and graphs, I use digital visual representations to help students see patterns rather than just compute answers. Additionally, I encourage students' choice in presenting their solutions, whether through visual presentations, digital posters, or short explanatory videos, to support diverse learning styles. Through these strategies, I aim to make mathematics not only understandable but also meaningful and engaging. Thank you for visiting my portfolio.